Good morning class. Today in this video I will discuss the question answer of the chapter 7 book Footprints Without Feet, the necklace. First question, read and find out the question. Oral comprehension first. What kind of a person is Me Loyal? Why is she always unhappy? Answer. Madam Loyal is a pretty woman. Pretty means beautiful, but was born in a poor family. She is always unhappy because of her poor condition. She does not like her lifestyle. She is a daydreamer and she wants to lead a wealthy and rich life. Second question, what kind of person is her husband? Answer, her husband is a petty clerk या poor clerk in education department. He works in the office of board education. He is very simple man. He loves and cares his wife very much. He tries to make his wife always happy. His behavior shows that he is very caring husband. He is very economical man, but he always faces problems because of his wife's conduct and wishes. Oral comprehension second. What fresh problem now disturbs Me Loyal? The fresh problem is that Me Loyal does not have a new and proper dress for the ball या ball party. Ball means dance party. She wants to have a luxury dress to impress people in the ball party. She also does not have any jewelry. How is problem solved? Mr. Loyal arranges 400 francs to buy a new dress. He suggests her to borrow some jewelry from her friend Me Forestier. Thus this problem is solved. What do Mr. and Me Loyal do next? Mr. and Me Loyal search the necklace everywhere. They look in the folds of dress and pockets. Loyal goes over the track where they have gone on foot to find the necklace. Then he goes to the police but could not find. After this he gives an advertisement in the newspaper offering a reward, but all in vain. They could not find the diamond necklace. How do they replace the necklace? They replace the necklace by purchasing a diamond necklace with same design. The cost of the necklace was 36,000 francs. Mr. Loyal had to borrow money on very high rate of interest from moneylender. Thus, they could replace the necklace, but now their hard life had started. Think about it. The course of Loyal's life changed due to the necklace comment. After reading the story, we can certainly say that the course of Loyal's life changed due to necklace. To replace the necklace, Mr. Loyal had to borrow money at very high rate of interest. To repay that amount, they had to shift into a rented room. They had to send away their maid means maid servant, and Me Loyal washed the dishes, soiled linen, their clothes and dish clothes. Mr. Loyal started extra work for low wages. poverty and hard lifestyle made Matilda a crude woman. Now she looked an old woman. They suffered for 10 long years. All these problems came to their life only due to the necklace. What was the cause of Matilda's ruin? How could she have avoided it? The cause of Matilda's ruin was her greed for high lifestyle. In fact, she was not ready to accept her reality. She was a daydreamer, very ambitious lady. She never behaved like a mature woman. She loved to have new luxury dresses. She liked to have jewelry. She never made her satisfied. She did not follow her husband's good advices. Thus, Matilda's unrealistic dreams were the cause of her ruin. She could have avoided it if she had behaved like a mature lady or follow her husband's advice to wear some natural flowers in the place of jewelry. If she had not remained in her dreamy world, our dreamy world can never come true and we must accept it. Next, what would have happened to Matilda if she had confessed to her friend that she had lost her necklace? Certainly, if Matilda had confessed to her friend, the situation would have been totally different. Her friend Forestier would have told her the reality about the necklace. She could know that the necklace was not a diamond but it was artificial. Its cost was not more than 500 francs. She could easily arrange this amount and she did not have to borrow so much amount. Due to the debt with a high rate of interest, Mr. and Mrs. Loisel had to lead a very difficult life for 10 years. Next question. If you were caught in situation like this, how would you have dealt with it? First of all, I would like to say that we should always be aware about our capacity, reality and limitation. We should not do anything which would be beyond our limitation and cannot put us in hot water. If by mistake I were caught in a situation like this, I would try to find out some other solution of this problem and would not try to find the solution blindly. I would directly go to my friend and could have confessed to her. I could have done whatever she had asked me to do. Thus, I could try to find out a good and medium solution of this problem.